Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a multi-action to the Stream Deck. Multi-actions can trigger several actions in a row, and I think that comes in handy. So let's create a pretty weird multi-action, but that's going to be an example, and I think it's going to explain things well. So let's open the multi-action. Let's just drag it somewhere. Now we can drag actions in here to make them actually do something. So I'm gonna open calculator. So the first action is system open calculator, and that lets me create a title, but I don't really need that calculator title. If you want, you can have it here. Then you can select app or file. I'm gonna open that file. So let's find the calculator. I don't really know where to find it, but it will be somewhere, I think. Like it's either here or Windows System, maybe Windows Accessories, System Tools. No. If I can't find it, then I might as well point to this PC local disk C, and it'll be in the program files probably. No, sorry, I believe it's in Windows System 32 from what I know. And now I'm gonna search for calc. So yeah, there is the calc application, so I'm gonna select that, open it, and I think it'll open it. I hope so. We'll find out later. You can add delays, so I think I'll add a delay just to make sure that it fully opens. It's in milliseconds, so 1,000 milliseconds is a second. Let's leave it at like 300 milliseconds. I think it'll be okay. And then once that app is opened, I want to insert a keystroke that will simply type in some numbers. So let's add a hotkey, then assign like 5, then or maybe not numpad 5, because I'm not really sure how that'll work with the numlock on or off. So let's just select standard 5. Yeah, then system, not website. I didn't mean to open our website, so I'm gonna delete that. That's how you delete stuff. Let's add a hotkey, then type on plus. So shift plus equal sign on my keyboard layout is a plus. Then another hotkey, which is gonna be let's say 6. That should add up to 11. And now let's also add a delay, which will be, for example, 15 seconds. And then close, and let's close the app. So I'm also gonna point to the this PC local disk C, Windows System 32, and find the calc. Okay, open it, and now we'll close it, I believe, and let's see if that actually works, if that calculator is able to be opened, because I'm not really sure whether it's gonna open it. By the way, you can also change the icon of the multi-action. You can see the content here, but let's click on it. I didn't click on the equal sign, so let's go back to content. Forgot about the equal sign, so let's add hotkey. You can add it in between things. So I'm gonna add it here, and then equal sign. And now as I go back, click on the shortcut, and as you can see, it'll close the calculator as well in 15 seconds. and I hope that video helped you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.